Listen, can you hear it? The call of Ramadan is in the air. 29 or 30 days of blessing, a gift from Allah beyond compare. It's not just about the fasting, though that's where many start. It's about the transformation, the purification of the heart. The gates of heaven open wide, the gates of hell are closed and sealed. The devil's locked away inside, while endless mercy is revealed. This is the month of the Quran, when every verse becomes so clear, when your du'as feel so near, when Allah's presence you can feel. Wake up in the quiet darkness when the world is still asleep. Share suhoor with your family, these are memories you'll keep. The fast begins at Fajr time until the Maghrib call to pray. No food, no drink, no complaints, just gratitude throughout the day.